Do you want to know how you can enable the marketing notifications in Veed.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the marketing extension setting in Veed.io. Go ahead and open Veed.io in Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, log into your account, then click on your profile which is on the right hand side. Click on account settings and you can see marketing settings. If you turn the button on, you will now enable marketing settings and they will send you exclusive Veed offers, updates and helpful tips on your email. So, to turn it on, all you need to do is open Veed.io, log into your account and click on your profile which is on the top right hand side, click on account settings and then enable marketing settings. I hope this video about how you can enable marketing settings in Veed.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.